What's up? What going on, man? Welcome to Chef Zan's Kitchen, man. What today we about to make some of these guys doing chicken necks fried. The world's best chicken neck, man. And we frying it in chickpea flour. Hey, you better get it. I'm trying to tell you. But yeah, I'm gonna season it with three things, man. We got the pink hen with less salt, black pepper, you feel me? Paprika, you feel me? We got a bowl full of chicken necks right here. No cap. I already had them brining. I had them brining and everything. I got the fryer right here. Preheated up to 375. You dig? So, yeah, we're just gonna get this thing cracking. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to put some of this, put some of the chickpea, I'm about to put the chickpea flour in the, Ziploc bag. I'm gonna jump these necks around in there real quick. But I'm gonna also season the chickpea flour with a complete. I'm gonna season it with a little complete. Man, these people don't give you that much. They don't give you about a pound of chickpea flour. Hell, I need more than that. But I'm gonna put a little complete in there, and I'm gonna put a little. I'm getting a little cotton. Look just like flour, except it's just another color. So, let me get the complete. Grease. I just gotta season this. Put a little garlic in there too. I am gonna put that cayenne in there. Then, we're gonna put a little black. Put a little black. My hands is clean. I wash it just because y'all don't see me. Doesn't mean I didn't do it. It's sweet paprika. So zip that down. Get that a little flip. Grab some paper towel. We're gonna get started on this chicken. Okay, pull up the sleeve. It's time to get dirty. You feel me? So now what we about to do? We about to season these necks real quick. I beat it up some eggs. So I'm gonna dip this in there and into there. So watch what I do. So let's season these necks, shall we? Lay your salt down first. Always let your salt foundation down first. You're like, oh, that's a lot of salt. But it's really not. Black pepper. There's a lot of necks in here, y'all. A lot of necks in here. Then what makes the chicken the purple? Kids that. Oh my God, dang, he put a lot of goddamn paprika on it. Love paprika though. White say you can't taste it. I say you can. We just really just flopping them around, getting the salt, seasoning, all of that. Never did this before. Never fried no chicken necks ever. Until you get them coated. Until you get them. We're going to dump some of these in there. So you got to drench. Take that out of there. Put it in there. Onto another one. Drizzle. Chicken and chicken. We drizzling. I went on and switched it out for a bowl. It worked. I worked like even this bowl. So what you want to do is, you see that right there? Take that bad boy, drop it. See that right there? Shake it, drop it. You see that right there? Shake, drop it. Got a couple of them in here. Drop it. Watch the how crispy they be. What we gonna do, we gonna continue to do some more, you feel me? I work better. Get crispy, you feel me? So I got it better. I can see that, but I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna have to pick one on and show it to you. Let me turn my brightness down on a little bit. Here we go. Or I got a pan for it. I got a pan for it. So we just gonna repeat the process until you fry all the chicken neck. And like I said, it's real easy. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's frying chicken. I know why I got the best chicken neck. Got my bowl ready. Black pepper box. I should have worked at KFC and then dropping. They really ain't nothing but chicken, just the neck part of a chicken. You eat. Come on, don't hide out. You gotta go in the grease. Go for it. I'm gonna let y'all see one of this chicken legs though. Look at that. Chickpea flour. Oh, don't drop me. Chickpea flour. Now look at that. Man, don't that make you want to slap somebody? The flavor is so freaking good. Look at that. But this chicken neck is, man, I'm eating now. Oh yeah. Man, I should have worked that carry on. I should have worked that, should have opened up me a chicken pan. The seasoning. I'm killing it. The seasoning, just right. I don't eat anything either. Man. Oh yeah. If you eat turkey neck, you eat the chicken neck. Man, look at that. Oh my, man, the seasoning, you can see the black pepper on it. And crispy. Man, I wanted to show y'all how to cook these chicken neck and show y'all that. Hey, chickpea flour. You ain't even gotta use the white flour. Get you some peas. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna make a whole dinner out of it. And I might snap a picture and then post it with this video. I just wanted to show y'all that I can cook the world's best fried chicken neck. You feel me? Look at that. Look at that in the grease. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at that. Man, listen. I'm there. I don't know if y'all can see that in that grease. Ooh. Yeah. So, man, like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I will be putting out some more cooking video. I'm not about to make a whole video of me cooking all my chicken necks. You feel what I'm saying? So, I'm going to just probably take these out the grease, and then I'm done. We're going to end the video. Y'all share this video, y'all like, y'all comment, and y'all subscribe, man. Turn the notification bells on. You feel me? You ain't going to get no chicken like this. Ooh, look at that. Focus on it. Focus on it. Focus on it. Come on now. That shit. Look at it. Focus on it, man. That chicken is so crispy. Yeah. Chicken is crispy. Look at that. Man, I told you, man, this chicken. Baby, I need you to come in here and bite a piece before you get end the video. I'm gonna let my since I'm the one who cooked, I'm gonna let my wife tell y'all what it tastes like. You feel?
Yeah, it's good, man.
It's good. It's flavor seasoned.
Yep.
You really just like chicken, ain't it?
Hot.
Then we gotta put some on the first. Oh no, I thought I did it right here. There you go, people. You heard it from my wife. She said, baby, speak up for these folks. She ain't just saying if it's nasty.
They on point. You hear me?
Seasoned. seasoned to perfection. So like I said, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe on the video, man. If y'all want me to do more cooking,
The chicken
you know what I'm saying?
flour work good on there.
It work good on that with chickpea.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? So hey, y'all see that in the chickpea flour? Y'all better go. I gotta use that white flour. Get some flour with some color in it. Look at that. Made you look. Give me that neck. Mwah. Pew. It is Mexican rice, chicken eggs, sweet potatoes. You feel me?